Oops, wrong King Kong. Today we're checking out the Cubot KingKong X 5G, a rugged, budget-friendly phone with a massive 10,200 mAh battery, 100 megapixels main camera and a unique secondary touchscreen on the back. So buckle up, subscribe and let's dive in. In the box you get the basics: manuals, a SIM tool, warranty papers, a USB-C cable and a 33-watt charger. While a 45-watt charger would be more ideal for 2025, the included 33 watts still gets the job done. It's a solid start but nothing flashy. The KingKong X is built like a tank with a rugged mix of metal, TPU and polycarbonate. At around 390 grams, it's hefty, but that's the trade-off for durability. It's IP68 and IP69K certified for dust and water resistant and meets military standard H10H, so it's ready for tough environments. The button layout is practical: a fingerprint sensor and volume buttons on the right, a programmable button and SIM slot on the left, and a rubber-flapped USB port at the bottom. The Gorilla Glass 3 on the front and thick rubber corners add to its toughness. While it's not the most comfortable for one-handed use, it's one of the most rugged phones you can get in this price range. The 6.58-inch FHD Plus display is crisp at 1080 by 2408 pixels, with a refresh rate switch between 120Hz, 90Hz and 60Hz. It's a solid screen for the price, though don't expect flagship level clarity. The real standout is the 1.85-inch secondary touchscreen on the back. It lets you check notifications, control music, view step counts and even snap photos. It's a fun and surprisingly practical feature you won't find on many phones. The Pixel 9 arrives in more eco-friendly box than the Pixel 8, following trends set by Motorola and Samsung. As for audio, the single loudspeaker is functional but underwhelming. There's no stereo sound or Dolby Atmos, so if you're after immersive audio, you'll want to plug in some Bluetooth headphones.
But I will have my vengeance.
The phone runs on MediaTek Dimensity 750, which is a reliable chipset for day-to-day use but not built for speed demons. It features an octa-core CPU with two 2.6 GHz Cortex A78 cores and six 2.0 GHz Cortex A55 cores paired with the Mali G68 GPU. It comes with a generous 16 gigs of RAM and storage options of 256 gigs or 512 gigs, expandable via microSD. This 256 gigs model I'm reviewing makes about 243 gigs of usable storage, plenty for most users. Multitasking is smooth thanks to the ample RAM. Running nearly stock Android 14, the interface is clean and user-friendly with a large clock widget and customizable home screen. Face unlock and the side-mounted fingerprint scanner are fast and pretty reliable. It's a solid chipset for most day-to-day tasks, but if you're doing heavy-duty multitasking or gaming, you might notice a slight delay. This phone supports 5G connectivity and features a hybrid SIM tray, which can take two nano SIM cards or one SIM and one microSD card. It also includes NFC for contactless payments, Bluetooth 5.2, Wi-Fi 6 and a USB Type-C port. For GPS, it covers all the major systems: GPS, GLONASS, Galileo and Beidou, so navigation is spot on. It also has a good 5G performance and is compatible with most major carriers. Gaming on the KingKong X 5G is surprisingly smooth for a rugged phone. As for Legends Unite, runs fine at max settings. Call of Duty Mobile sees occasional frame drops at max settings, but nothing that ruins the experience. I tried few other games like PUBG Mobile, and it also runs smoothly on high settings, which is impressive for the phone designed for durability. For Genshin Impact, you'll get smooth performance at low settings, but maxed out graphics will look like a slideshow. But when we're talking gaming, the hefty design is something to keep in mind. You want a solid surface to game on, but the performance is solid for casual gaming. The phone packs a 100 megapixels main camera, but their default 12.5 megapixel shots are often more than enough and less storage heavy. The 5 megapixels macro camera is okay, though nothing to write home about. The 32 megapixel front camera is good for selfies and supports full HD video recording. The camera app is user-friendly with modes like night shot, beautifications and macro. Photo and video quality are pretty solid, but for serious photographers it might not be enough. The 4K videos only got a basic image stabilization, but it's still alright for casual use. With its massive 10,200 mAh battery, the KingKong X lasts up to about 3 to 4 days with heavy use. Cubot claims up to 5 days, but that might be a bit optimistic. Charging is quick enough with 33 watts, reaching full charge in about 90 to 100 minutes, and it supports 10 watt reverse charging. Battery life obviously varies depending on the refresh rate of the display, so we get about 30 hours at 60 Hz, 23 hours at 90 Hz and roughly around 20 hours at 120 Hz. Video playback is solid, giving us around 30 hours at 1080p and 28 hours at 4K. So, at around $200 US, the Cubot KingKong X 5G is a rugged, budget-friendly phone with solid performance and pretty impressive durability. While it doesn't shine in terms of speed or camera quality, it stands out with its unique secondary display, massive battery and tough design. So this phone is built to handle tough environments with IP68 and IP69K and military standard certifications, and the 100 megapixels main and 32 megapixels front cameras deliver pretty solid results, but don't expect flagship level quality. So if you're looking for a durable, long-lasting phone for outdoor use without breaking the bank, this could be a considerable option. Thanks for sticking around. I'll see you in the next one.
Family Pop TV.